As Japan's pioneer in the manufacturing of saw blades for industrial use, Tenryu first saw the light of day just a century ago. At that time, Japan's first ever private machine-operated sawmill was constructed in the Tenryugawa region of Shizuoka Prefecture against the background of the beautiful Tenryu forests. Accompanying the development of the lumber industry, demand for saw blades increased, and therein lies the origins and the birth of Tenryu. It was on the 10th of October, 1913, when the Tenryu Saw Manufacturing Company Limited was established, and the original objective was repairs to expensive circular saw blades that had been imported into Japan. In 1920, 2 technical personnel were dispatched to Britain, and that is where they learned the skills of manufacturing saw blades. In 1922, Tenryu gave birth to the first circular saw blade ever produced in Japan. Ever since then, right up to the present day, during the course of a century, Tenryu has been the pioneer of the industrial saw blade industry in Japan. Know-how about the manufacturing of saw blades has been built up, and Tenryu has produced results worthy of its reputation as the best in the industry by virtue of being constantly in a position to respond to the expectations of its customers. The reason why Tenryu has been able to maintain its position as the leading manufacturer lies in the array of its quality products. Tenryu has developed saw blades that are optimum for cutting all kinds of materials in a multitude of industries. After beginning with saw blades for cutting timber materials, Tenryu went on to develop saw blades for cutting paper, building stones, plastics, artificial wood board, steel, stainless steel, and non-ferrous metals. Tenryu is constantly responding to the extremely demanding requirements of its customers' performance standards, in terms of quality of cutting, in terms of cost, and in terms of productivity. Tenryu manufactures circular saw blades that range from 80 millimeters in diameter for electric power tools to diamond saw blanks with diameters extending at as large as 3.5 meters. All of these products are manufactured in-house with Tenryu's own independent productive facilities and machinery, starting from the initial quenching heat treatment process and extending as far as the final process in which the quality of finished products is meticulously verified. Tenryu is in effect a production system of which the entire company can be proud in global terms. Further, in its handling of environmental issues, Tenryu is constantly seeking to avoid use of toxic materials and to reduce levels of natural resources and consumed energy. Of course, Tenryu also attaches importance to ISO 14001 certification and compliance with RoHS and REACH directives. Products manufactured by Tenryu are now used not only domestically in Japan, but widely throughout the globe, particularly in the United States of America, Europe, and Asia. As a natural consequence of this, sales and production strongholds have been established in a variety of regions that span the globe, which includes China, the United States of America, Germany, Thailand, India, and Mexico. Tenryu has now entered its 100th year of operations. With the next century of its operations in mind, Tenryu will be continuing its pursuit of cutting, with the aim of delivering to its customers saw blades that will be capable of cutting a range of new materials that are likely to be developed one after the other. Tenryu will aim to deliver blades capable of cutting these materials more quickly, more precisely, and more economically than ever before.